Welcome to part 3 of Python beginner exercises. We have 3 exercises for you in this video. First problem is to write a Python program to calculate the number of days between two dates. As you can see that the problem has given 2 sample dates that follows the format year, month and day. In this case, difference between the 2 dates is 9 days. Getting this output is really simple. You start by creating the date objects first. To work with date objects, you need to import date from datetime module, create the date objects date1 and date2. Now let's do a date2 minus date1 and assign it to an object delta. This delta object contains information about the difference between date1 and date2. For this problem, we're trying to get the difference in days, so we'll simply print delta.days. Moving on to the second problem. Second problem is to write a Python program to get the volume of a sphere. It's given that the radius is 6. This is again a very simple Python exercise. First, we'll assign a variable radius with value 6. Remember that the volume of a sphere is 4/3 times pi times radius to the power 3. Pi is basically a mathematical constant. In Python, you can import the math module and it will provide the value for the constant pi. Only thing left for us is to print the value 4/3 times math.pi times radius to the power 3. In Python, if you write x times y by x star y, it means we are multiplying x and y. However, if we type x star star y, it means we are doing x to the power y. So in this case, when we do radius star star 3, that means we're taking radius to the power 3. Moving on to the third problem for the day, write a Python program to get the difference between a given number and 17. If the number is greater than 17, return double the absolute difference. So we're going to write a function and we'll call it diff17. This will take in a number n. If n is greater than 17, we need to return double the absolute difference. So let's write if n greater than 17, then return n minus 17 times 2. I didn't have to specifically take the absolute difference in this case. As n is greater than 17, then n minus 17 will always give you a positive number. If this was not the case, then I would use the abs function to get the absolute value. In the else condition, we can simply return 17 minus n. Thanks for watching this video. Let me know in the comments if you found this useful. This was part 3, so you can go into my channel and watch part 2 and part 1. And please consider subscribing. I'll be back again with more videos. See you soon.